And so just by keeping this simple, folks, there's nothing complicated about it. Don't read into it. The flyer has psychological triggers. Again, for every 100 that go out, at least 2 to 3 sales we're seeing. The $450, that's not the 100% profit. I'm going to tell you, this is how it is. 100 goes to the admin. You put in your pocket $350. So when you see in the front of this is a two-sided flyer. This is the other side of it. We'll take a look at that. But let me just show you here. Imagine getting 15 times 450. With 500 flyers that go out, $6,750. Folks, let's take 2 out of 100. 2, this is a conservative number, 2. 350, this is net. 350 times 2 is $700. Do that 10 times. Mail out 100 flyers a pop. That's $7,000. The overhead is pennies on the dollar. $7,000. How long do you think it would take when you start an online program? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yep. Shiny object syndrome. Going from program to program. Take a vacation. Indirect mail, it's a multi-billion-dollar business. I never realized it. A friend of mine turned me on to this. I'm like, come on, how are you gonna? I'm gonna stay with my online business, Paul. You're not making any. The money you make isn't that great. I know, but one day, folks, stop the madness. Stop struggling. It's 2023, especially now. You need something to supplement your income. 2023. And this is it, folks. It's easy. It's easy, simple, stupid, easy. Monkeys could do this business. Every 100 flyers, we give you we start you off in your starter kit. 300 stamps. 300 buyer leads. Peel off stickers. You put them on the envelope. I did over 100 today. It took me about a half hour. I'm doing it quick now. About a half hour. To put them in the envelopes. Get them all set up. Can you do 10 a day? Can you mail out 10 of these a day? Can you mail out 20 a day? It's a numbers game. If you're consistent with this, guarantee you. You say no guarantees. We're doing it. I guarantee you if you do this, it works if you work it. Those who don't take action aren't going to make any money. But if you take action and be consistent, 3 things, folks. Get your mindset. Discipline. Every day work on this. Work 6 days, the Bible says. Rest on the 7th. Discipline, consistency, and patience. Discipline, consistency, thirdly, patience. And this will work for you. Here's my name, Paul Barletta. I'm at 4C Potomac Lane, Whiting, New Jersey, 08759. Put your name and address, the details there. You could send me cash. You could send it back. You could send it in the any type of paper. Put it in the envelope. Or a postal money order. And let's get started. Time is of the essence. Let's do it, folks. If you want to give me a call, any questions, I answer my phone. I want to be your coach, your sponsor. My phone number here in New Jersey. Yeah, I'm right outside of New York City, the money capital of the world. My number is 862-658-2086. Again, that number is 862-658-2086. I'll leave it in the description for you. Give me a call. I'll answer any questions you might have. Or just send it in, and I'll get your starter kit sent right out. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.